And as you can see, the Microsoft Store now works.
Stop what you're doing and listen.
Hey guys, so if you're facing this issue, which is on the Microsoft Store where it's saying check your connection, you want to go ahead and close the store, head over to the link in the description. Then you want to download the file in the description. Once that file is downloaded, you want to open File Explorer, go into your local disk, go to Windows, then you want to scroll down to System32. Now be careful in here, I'm sure you've seen all the memes. Go into drivers, then you want to go ahead into etc, etc, and then you'll have a host file here. You just want to go ahead and place the host file in there and replace. Don't click skip, click replace, and click continue. You'll need administrator privileges to do this. Then once you've done that, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. Now once you've restarted your PC, you can go ahead and open the Microsoft Store. And as you can see, the Microsoft Store now works. You can download stuff from here again. Most likely the app or program that caused this to happen on your computer was Destroy Windows Spying. It does work, but it stops the Microsoft Store from working. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this worked for you. If not, leave in the comments, and I do have some other solutions that might help you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.